recenter your suit on Carina and dive back toward it. We're going to slip inside its glowing clouds into the thick of the nebular atmosphere and see what structures and wonders are hiding there. You are now moving at velocities no rocket from Earth could reach with current technology, crossing light years in moments. Even so, the Carina Nebula ahead of you still spans hundreds of light years across, a structure so vast that our entire solar system would be nothing more than a microscopic speck hidden inside its clouds. As you plunge deeper, remember that what looks like smooth, colorful mist from a distance is anything but empty. These clouds are made of thin gas and dust so spread out that you could fly for years without hitting a single grain. Yet together, they hold enough material to build millions of stars and their planets. In your line of sight now, that blinding beacon buried in the clouds is Eta Carinae. Not one, but two gigantic stars locked in a tight, violent orbit, shedding gas into space at incredible rates. We're going to swing closer to this system and take a better look at the chaos it's carving into the nebula around it. Eta Carinae is one of the most luminous systems in our galaxy, shining millions of times brighter than the sun. Its stars are so massive and unstable that they're constantly throwing off huge shells of gas into space. A few centuries ago, one of its giant eruptions was so powerful that it briefly became the second brightest star in Earth's night sky, even though it's thousands of light years away. The glowing debris from that outburst still surrounds it like a ragged cosmic shroud. Both stars are living on borrowed time. When they finally end their lives, they're expected to explode as titanic supernovae, or even something more extreme, sending shockwaves rippling through the Carina Nebula and reshaping this region all over again. To put their scale into perspective, between them, these two stars pack well over 100 times the mass of our sun and shine millions of times brighter, as if someone crammed an entire swarm of suns into a single unstable system. This is the Homunculus Nebula, carved by past titanic eruptions that blasted stellar material into space and inflated two huge lobes around Eta Carinae. As you zoom out, you can see how this entire structure, larger than our solar system, is still just a tiny scar inside the vast body of the Carina Nebula. Cosmic Wanderer, we've received your data. The Carina mission is a complete success. It's time to head back home. We're waiting for you on Earth. When you're ready, Cosmic Wanderer, your next journey awaits in the stars.